Takada ko jing siya pyniap klep jong ukhna badang hanyo sinem karata bat ipara kenthe badang san benai haki lehnoh king atiar mender katba kidang thiah alang batla ka jong ka kmie haka sitang me jong ka hanyo tarik menta ubenai yayong hala ka jong ka yeng ba kisong kisa haka sinong trong lobi Manipur haka singisai jan kaseng MECS la pelong da ka jing yeshong kelain mengor ka bajar jar barra ru dagi plakat kibadon da ka jing tho penrem baper ka presiden jong ka MECS ka shanghai lema bat upro kamaljin chiram kilaong bahadin baka jila Manipur ka sedang bandon ka jing shongsingan hadin ka jing jaya snam ka balak ne lakumbal laisnem wan biang kane ka jingja basya pyniap kitay kimensim belui kumta la dawana ka sarkar Manipur banle da ka bating ya kirunar badan kiti bat banwan ra biang ya ka shongsingan jong kinong shongsinong halaka jong ka kendau ka siam bat kumjuro ya ka sarkar pedang ban persange ya kini ki lehnoh king atiar narko teroris bomdei banyepen bat ka jingsingan jong kari kila kerparu ya kilat pathai kubor jong kari bagin pathai ben ya ki kubor kibadon jing shisha klem dadon ki jing sha liang
whole media, the Indian media. I am Sangai Lema. I am the president of Manipuri Elders Consortium, Khyllung. So we are organizing this sit-in, silent sit-in protest against the two innocent lives. A 5-year-old boy and his 5-month-old sister was killed at midnight on the 7th of April 2026, very recently. And the sad part of this incident is that they were killed in the very house where they feel that all people feel that it's safe. That is, they were sleeping and they were killed by that attack, missile attack from narco terrorists. As you know that there has been this typical violence has been going on for almost 3 years now. So sporadic, since when we think that the incident has cooled down a bit, the Meiteis in the valley have been attacked time and again, so as to not to allow peace to come to this to Manipur. And one so sad part is the father of the children is protecting the country. He is a BSF Jawan. He was posted at some in Bihar, I heard so. And when he is protecting the country, his family are killed in his own house. That is the sad part, which we really condemn the act. So we are here in Khyllung, the Manipuris here in Khyllung, the students, the working people here in Khyllung, we really condemn this act, and we are organizing this silent sit-in protest against this act. Our demand from the government of Manipur is that to take action against these people who have committed this heinous crime, and to make us feel safe in our own house, in our own state, in our own land, and also to the government of India that to stop this illegal armed narco terrorists, for which we have to compromise the security of this country. That is our demand from the government.
It is a body of people from Manipur, and we are not doing it. We are doing it as a combined protest from the people of Manipur. So what you're seeing here is not just the members of MECS, but you can see a different, not many, but different people from Manipur who are staying in Khyllung, working and studying in Khyllung. So we are condemning the action of the people who killed those two children on the night of the 7th, early hours of the 7th of April, when they were sleeping with their mother on their bed, and and a 5-year-old boy and his younger sister of only 5 months was killed. So we're protesting that, and we're demanding that even after this almost 3 years of uh, uh, absence of peace in Manipur, why these things are still happening. So that is the main purpose of this protest, that actions be taken, and that not just for the justice for the two children who have lost their lives, but also for the last 3 months, and why lasting peace has not come into the state of Manipur. Mhm. Uh, Again, usually we say that the news from on a general level, the Northeast India finds very less space. But we've seen that there has been very much limited or one-sided way of reporting, or even wrong reporting, maybe intentional, maybe unintentional. In cases where some photos are taken out of context. So we have seen that we've been asking for a better, a non-biased, a more complete report of what is going on in Manipur.